Next is all the question actually they are same like. Question number 3 is consider the equation y equal to 2x plus 9. Copy and complete the table. So if we put the value of x here 0, what will be the value of y here 9? This is 9, and if we put 4 to the 8, value of x 4 into 2 8 plus 9 17, this is 17, and if we put minus 8, this will be minus 16 plus 9, this will be minus 7. So this is answer. On the sheet of graph paper, using scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 5 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of this line for this range. So here actually in this range values are given that we can take the values of x, I mean that 0 to 4, and from on this side negative number up to minus 8. So just actually just it is also same like question. We can take any numbers between in this range. Already we took the values in the same range like 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So there's not much difference except the on y-axis 1 centimeter we need to write 5 units. So okay, we solve this question. So now question 3 part 2 of question 3, that equation is y equal to 2x plus 9, and range of x is given x less than equal to 4 and greater than equal to minus 8. So actually we need to draw the table. So x, y, we can take a few values. So for example, this is a 1 2 3 4 up to 4, and here minus 1, we can take any values, for example minus 3, minus 5, minus 8. So actually this is the range of the value. We need to take these values, and now put x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, 1 into 2, 2 plus 9 11, and x equal to 2, this will be 4 plus 9 13, and x equal to 3, 3 to the 6 plus 9 15, and then 4 to the 8 plus 9 17, minus 1 minus 2 plus 9, this will be 7, minus 3 minus 6 plus 9, this will be 3, minus 5, this will be minus 10 plus 9 minus 1, this will minus 16 plus 9, this will be 7. So these are the values we need to draw on the paper. So let's draw the two perpendicular line, Cartesian coordinate lines. So this is along x-axis, and this is y-axis. So on x-axis 1 unit, 1 centimeter represent 1 unit. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 so on, and on y-axis 1 centimeter should be equal to 5 units. We should write this 5, this should be 10, this should be 15, 20, 25, so on, and this is -5, -10, -15, -20, so on. So we have the points that 1 and 11. This is 1 and y is 11. Y is 11. Actually, this is 10 and 11. Just because each interval here have 10 small square. So 5 by 10 each. So 1 and 11 is this one, and each small square equal to 0.5. It means that you see here that 5 divided by 10, because in 1 centimeter we have 10 small square, so each small square equal to 0.5. So 10 is here, 1 and 10 is here, and it is 11, 2 small square, 1 and 2. So 1 is this point. So this is 1 point, and next is 2 and 13. 2 is this one, and 13. Where is 13? This is 10 and 13. Each represent each small square represent 0.5, and 6 small squares. These are up to here. And next 3 and 15. 3 is this one, and 15 is this one. And 4 and 17. 4 is this one, and 17 is, sorry, this is 25. Then 4 is this one, and 17. This is 15, and this is 20, and 17 is below here. -1 and 7. This is -1, and 7 is this is 5, and 7 is here. -3 and 3. -3 and 3. -3 is, so actually 2 small square equal to 1, so 6 small square. This one, -5 and -1, -5 and -1, which is actually -1, 2 small square, exact approximate here. So just draw the line, or sorry, actually first line that was a little bit, that is not correct. So actually this is the line, this is the line, upper one is, this is need to be rubbed, erase this line. So this is the equation of line. Next is, consider the equation y equal to 1 by 4x plus 2, copy and complete the table. So y equal to 1 by 4x plus 2. So when we put x0, so 1 by 4 into 0, 0, y will be equal to 2. And when we put x4, 4 will be cancelled, 1 plus 2, 3. This is 3, sorry, this is 3. and for -8 and 4, this will be -2 plus 2 0. This also will also be 0. On the same axis in part A question, to draw the graph of y equal to 1 before x plus 2 for -8, same range is given as here in part 2. So this is the equation of line. We need to draw the graph for this. So for part B, y equal to 1 before x plus 2, and range is already x less than equal to 4 greater than equal to -8. So we need to draw the graph. So x, y, so we can take 0 to 4 and -2 -4 or -8. Now if we put 0, this will be 2. If we put 2, this will be okay. We can put 4, leave this one. 4 in cancel, 1 plus 2 3, and if we put again -4, this will be 4 -4 -1 plus 2 1, and put -8 -2 plus 2, this will be 0. So these are the value, sufficient values. Now on the same paper, that is 0 2, this is 0 and 2, 0 and 2, this is 0, and y equal to 2. So 2 mean 4 small square, 4 small square, that is 0 and 2, 0.51. So sorry, this is just because 0 to this is 0 and 2 mean 4 small square, because each small square equal to 0.5, and for 2 there will be 4 small square, 1 2 3 4. So this one first is this one, 4 and 3, this is 4 and 3, again 6 square, this one, and -4 and 1, -4 and 1 is just 2 small square, it is here. -8 and 0, -8 -5 -6 -7 -8, -8 and 0 is exactly this one. So sorry, this was -4 and 1, 1 is this one, 1 is this one, and now we can join the points. So all the points covers this line, or I mean present on the line. So this is the part 2. Now part C of the same question. Hence solve the simultaneous equation 2x minus y equal to -9 and x minus 4y equal to -8. So actually, if we see the equations before we solved this equation, actually this equation and this equation in the part 2, these are the same, and this equation and this equation is the same. How, for example, suppose actually he told solve these two equation and actually if we see this y equal to 2x plus 9, and we can write minus 2x plus y equal to 9, and then multiply minus both sides. This will be 2x minus y and minus 9. So you see that I took this equation and this is just exactly this one, and for this equation it is actually this one. For example, y equal to 1 by 4x plus 2, so minus 1 by 4x plus y equal to 2. So I shifted 1 by 4x towards the left side, and now multiply whole equation by 4. So this will be minus x, 4 will be cancelled, minus 1x plus 4y equal to 8, and multiply both sides by minus. This will be plus x minus 4y minus 8. So you see exactly, so it means when he's told that solve these equation, it means he is saying that solve the equation this one and this one. Solve mean we need to find the point of intersection. So already we plotted the lines for this equation and this one on the graph already. One line was this one and other is this one. And if you see point of intersection, where is the point of intersection? You see here point of intersection minus 4 and it was 1, minus 4 and 1. This is the point of intersection and this is answer. So point of intersection is minus 4 and 1. So this was answer. Now question number 4. By using the graphical method, state if each of the following pair of simultaneous equations has no solution or infinitely many solutions. Explain why. So question number 1. There are two simultaneous equations. We need to draw the equation on the graph as we plotted before the lines, and if the lines, if you draw the line and the line are parallel, so it means if the lines are parallel, that means the equations has no solution. Equations have no solution because they will never intersect each other at any point. So in case the lines parallel, for example, if we drew this line and one other line is like this, if they are parallel, they will never intersect each other, and in this case we say that the lines have no solution. So he told graphical method, but we can also find it by the gradient. If they have the same gradient, it means the lines are parallel. For parallel lines, gradients are same, but he told that solve by graphically. So question number 4 is x plus part A is x plus 2y equal to 3, and other equation 2x plus 4y equal to 6. So we need to draw lines x, y. So we put here 0, 1, minus 2 for example, and x, y. So here we can take 1, 3, minus 3, whatever value you like we can take. And for this equation, when we put x equal to 0, 2y equal to 3, and y equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. So 1.5 for x equal to 0. When x equal to 1, then 1 and 2y, so it means 2y, 3 minus 1. So y will be equal to 1 when, for example, x equal to 1 plus 2y equal to 3, 2y equal to 3 minus 1, 2y equal to 2, y equal to 1. And when x equal to minus 2, if we put minus 2 plus 2y equal to 3, 2y equal to 3 plus 2, 5, and y equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. That is 2.5. Now for this equation, if we put x equal to 1, so this will be 2 plus 4y equal to 6, 4y equal to 4, y equal to 1. So we put the value 1, so it y also 1. Now put value 3 here. 6 plus 4y equal to 6. 4y equal to 6 minus 6, 0. Y equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 equal to 0. So this will be 0. Now put minus 3. So minus 3, it will be minus 6. So minus 6 plus 4y equal to 6. 4y equal to 12 and y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Now we need to draw these values. So we take the same graph. We are using the same graph. Actually, it is used somewhere else. So actually I rubbed the lines. So for first line 0, 1.5, this is 0, and 1.5, this is in the middle. This is the first point, and for 1, 1, this is 1, 1, this is this is second point. So this is second point, and minus 2, 2.5, minus 2 and 2.5, minus 2 and 2.5, this is 2 and 2.5 in the middle. So I draw these 3 points, join the points. Actually these are 3 points, little bit like this. So we can join this one, we can extend on both sides. This is equation 1, and for second 1, 1, again this is 1, 1, and 3, 0. 3, 0 is this one. 3, 0, this one, x3, y equal to 0. Minus 3, 3, minus 3 and 3, minus 3 and 3 is this one. Actually all the points are lying on the same straight line, so it has infinitely many solutions. Actually the other line is also exactly, it is lying or present on the same points. So why, actually if you see x plus 2y equal to 3, and this equation actually not a different equation. If we divide by 2 both sides, we will get x plus 2y equal to 3. So actually this line, you can say, coincide with the first line. So it has, we will say that it has infinitely many solutions. So this is the one case, and let's solve one other question. Part C, 2y minus x, 2y minus x equal to 2, and 4y minus 2x equal to 4. So if we draw the table x, y, 0, 3, minus 3, and if we put 0 here, x equal to 0, y will be equal to, if we put 0, 2y equal to 2, y will be equal to 1. If x equal to 3, so 2y will be equal to 5 by 2, 2.5. If we put minus 3, x equal to minus 3, this will be plus 3, and minus 1 by 2, so this will be minus 0.5. And for this line, x, y, again we can put same value or some different. So when x 0, y will be 1. X 0, put x 0, y will be 1. When x equal to 3, so this will be, for example, 4y minus 2 into 3 equal to 4. 4y equal to 4 plus 6, 10. Y equal to 10 by 4. This is 2 to the 4 to 5. This is 2.5. So we put value 3, and this is 2.5. And for minus 3, 4y minus 2 into minus 3 equal to 4. 4y equal to 4 plus, this is 3 to the 6 plus 6, and here minus 6. So 4y equal to minus 2, and minus 2 by 4, that will be minus 0.5, minus 0.5. So we draw these two values, two lines on the same table, because actually I don't have extra extra page here, so I'm drawing on the same paper. So first line is 0 1. 0 1 is this one, 0 1, this point, and 3 and 2.5. 3 this one, and 2.5 is this one in the middle, and minus 3 and minus 0.5. Minus 3 is this one, and minus 0.5, it is in the middle, this one. So we draw values like, let me recheck 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 1, this point, exactly this one. So 1 and this one point, and here minus 3 and 0.5, this was here. So this is one line, and other is 0 and 1. 0 and 1, again it is on the same line. 3 and 2.5, 3 and 2.5, again these are all also coinciding on the same line, so it has also infinitely many solutions. So you can try that. If lines are parallel, that means they don't have any solution, because they never meet each other. So only we will have solution when they intersect each other. Like right now, two lines, this is the point of intersection, and it has the solution. But you can try for other also. Question number 5 is, by using the graphical method, state each of the following pairs of simultaneous equation has no solution or infinitely many solution. Explain. So actually no solution, as I earlier mentioned, this is not anything different. You will draw the line. So if the lines, both lines point coincide, I mean that points lie on each other, like we solve two questions, the points for other line are also found on the same line, so it means it has infinite solution, many solutions.